Hey, trip
Maybe
this
not.
out. You're gonna burn yourself.
Good job lighting the candles, buddy.
Good job.
Nice try. Okay.
It's coming towards me.
That's okay. Light another
Round
one.
two.
Just blow it out.
Here, no, just put it back.
Hey, Bri, just let him do it.
Just grab that. It won't burn you like that one, dude. No, no.
Hey, buddy,
Gotta
how old
light
are you?
This one first, or you're
That's all.
gonna do that.
How old are you?
11.
How does it feel to be 11?
Oh my gosh, you really gotta go measure right now? Our cake's gonna be drenched.
Yeah, I have to go.
Huh.
Oh, that's nice.
He had to go pee while he was lighting his candles?
What do you think of that?
That's pretty urinific.
No,
Hi.
What's your thoughts on
this
that?
is horrible.
He's a peer.
How you coming there, buddy?
Ew. I don't want that.
There's wax in the cake.
Yummy.
Go! Peer! Let's go!
Who has to pee?
Wax.
Do you have to pee?
I don't know if I'm good.